everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we count down the top 5 most iconic and match-defining T20 innings ever played. These innings were played under intense pressure, where cricketing legends stepped up when their teams needed them the most. Do like, share and subscribe for more such content. So, here are the 5 best T20 knocks under pressure where players showed exceptional skill in clutch moments and turned the tide in their team's favor. Before we proceed to the list, here is an honorable mention that I wanted to be stated here. Ben Stokes in the 2022 T20 World Cup final against Pakistan. Ben Stokes played a tremendous innings of 52 not out in the most clutch situation under pressure. He won his team the match in the final. He anchored England's chase of 138 after a top order batting collapse. The Pakistani bowlers, they were right on top, and his unbeaten 52 of 49 balls in tricky conditions helped England win their second T20 World Cup. Stokes' ability to thrive in big moments continued to define his career. This is one of the honorable mentions that I wanted to be stated before we start with the list. Number 5. Marlon Samuels. His 85 not out in the 2016 T20 World Cup final against England remains one of the greatest knocks that has been played in T20 World Cups. He played that knock under tremendous pressure. He also played a heroic inning in the 2012 T20 World Cup final where he again helped West Indies win the title. In the 2016 T20 World Cup final, West Indies were struggling at 11 for 3, chasing 156 against England. The pressure was immense and things looked bleak for the Windies. Samuels played an anchor role, guiding the innings while watching wickets fall at the other end. His unbeaten 85 of 66 balls kept West Indies alive. He had previously rescued West Indies in the 2012 final as well. This was his second match-winning knock in a World Cup final. Why I consider this a special innings is because this might not have the fireworks of some of the innings that we are going to discuss in the latter part of this video. But without his calm approach under pressure, the West Indies, they would have been done much earlier in the game and there was no chance that the West Indies would have won this match. So Marlon Samuels 85 not out against England makes it to our top 5 T20 knocks ever played. Number 4. The iconic knock from Virat Kohli against Pakistan. Virat Kohli scored 82 not out against Pakistan in the 2022 T20 World Cup. This was a very highly anticipated match at the Melbourne Cricket Ground. India had dug themselves in deep trouble at 31 for 4 while they were chasing 160 against Pakistan. This was a high-stakes T20 World Cup game. Kohli had a tremendous impactful innings under pressure. He anchored the innings and unleashed his magic in the final 3 overs of the match. He struck 2 unforgettable sixes off Haris Rauf to bring India back into the game. His 82 not out of 53 balls is regarded as one of the greatest chases in T20 cricket. India sealed the victory on the final ball itself. Kohli's calmness and brilliance under immense pressure earned widespread admiration. I consider this as a hugely special inning. The match was part of the iconic India-Pakistan rivalry, and Kohli's knock came during an emotionally charged setting with billions of eyes watching. India were on the brink of defeat, and Kohli, along with some support from Hardik Pandya, brought India back into the match and won the match. So this innings will forever be etched into the memories of all the Indian cricket team's fans. Number 3 on the list is the iconic innings played by Yuvraj Singh in the 2007 T20 World Cup semi-final against Australia. This was the world-beating Australia team. They had a absolute out of the world dominating 50 over World Cup where they dominated each and every opponent like never ever seen in the history of cricket. They were dominant in all forms of the game, and in fact they started off this T20 World Cup as the mighty favorites. India were not even in contention to compete in this World Cup. They had a very rough time in the 50 over World Cup when they were knocked out of the league stages itself, losing to the minnows Bangladesh in the process. Come the 27 T20 World Cup, India had to do something, they had to fight back. Yuvraj Singh in one of the earlier league stages had played some of the phenomenal knocks ever played in T20. He also had the match of 6 sixes in an over against England. But this inning of 70 of just 30 balls against Australia in the semi-final continues to be legacy defining. In the semi-final of the inaugural T20 World Cup in 2007, India faced a formidable Australian side. He had already made headlines in the tournament with his 6 sixes against England. He continued his dream run, smashing 70 of just 30 balls, 5 sixes and 5 fours. His ferocious hitting helped India post a strong total, which proved too much for Australia. Yuvraj's innings was pivotal in India reaching the final. This is one of the most special knocks during that time. This knock cemented Yuvraj's reputation as a big match player. His fearless aggression under pressure helped India win the inaugural T20 World Cup. This innings is one of our top 3 T20 innings ever. Number 2. Michael Hussey's 60 not out of just 24 balls against Pakistan in the 2010 T20 World Cup semi-final. To add context, Australia needed 70 runs from just 30 balls in this semi-final against Pakistan, chasing 192. They were totally out of this game, and the Pakistan bowlers, they were totally on top of the Australian batting unit. They were dominating Australia, and Australia were down to their last recognized batsman, with all the odds seemingly stacked against them. Then Michael Hussey played a miraculous innings, scoring an unbeaten 60 from 24 balls. This innings included 3 sixes of Saeed Ajmal's final over to chase down the total with a ball to spare. It was an extraordinary display of composure and clean hitting under pressure. This is one of the most special innings because this is often regarded as one of the greatest T20 chases. This innings defied all expectations and led Australia into the final of the World Cup. So, this was Michael Hussey playing the second best T20 knock ever. Coming to number 1, one of the most special innings that you are ever going to witness. Carlos Brathwaite, remember the name. 34 not out against England in the 2016 T20 World Cup final. In this final, West Indies required 19 runs from the last over to win the title. Brathwaite was facing Ben Stokes. The equation seemed impossible. But comment the art, comment the man. Brathwaite delivered one of the most memorable finishes in cricket history. He smashed 4 consecutive sixes to clinch the World Cup for the West Indies. His unbeaten 34 from 10 balls will forever be remembered as one of the most dramatic moments in World Cup history. Why is this inning special? Remember the name. These words from Ian Bishop immortalized Brathwaite's incredible knock. and this was responsible for bringing West Indies their second T20 World Cup title. So this innings from Brathwaite is our top T20 knock ever played. The pressure, the situation, the circumstance under which the inning was played all make it even more incredible and memorable. These were some of the top T20 knocks ever played. These innings highlight not only the players' immense skill but also their mental toughness to perform under the most intense pressure, making them some of the greatest T20 knocks in history. That's it. That's the end of today's video. Let us know your best T20 knocks in the comment section. For more such content, like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.